Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your InstaPage landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Facebook or Metapixel to your InstaPage landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put your Metapixel on your landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking conversions is an important part of your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, I want to let you know this is assuming you already have your Facebook or Metapixel handy. If you don't have that and you need help finding it, go back and watch my other video that describes how to find that. However, once you have your Facebook pixel and you want to link it to your InstaPage landing page, what you're going to do is click on landing pages here on the left. Once you do that, you'll see all the different landing pages you have in InstaPage. You can see I just have this one, and all you're going to do is just click on the landing page. Once you click there, it's going to show you a preview of your landing page. And in order to link your Metapixel, what you're going to do is click on this button here called integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on this one, marketing, tags, and pixels. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on this option, Facebook pixel. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and copy in your Facebook or Metapixel ID. Once you pasted it in there, you want to be sure to click on save down here on the bottom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Facebook Metapixel into your InstaPage landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.